Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Take me back to the shade of that oak tree. Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Shower me with some cold water so I feel something, so I feel something that burn my skin with a hot lighter, so I feel something, so I feel something. 'Cause lately I've been feeling nothing well except for running, and his bottle's been filled, but now it's been killed. And seems to me that I done lost my will. Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Take me back to the shade of that oak tree. Take me back to where the birds sing, baby. Blurred vision through this looking glass. I'm just trying to blind my eyes to the very path that brought me here, to this bridge of change that I've got to cross. But it feels so strange, and between the seams of my drunken dreams was a human being just dying to breathe. And between the lines of my vacant eyes, well, it's no surprise why I survive. Getting close to where the birds sing, baby. Getting close to where the birds sing, baby. Getting close to the shade of that oak tree. Getting close to where the birds sing, baby. Not sure what made me that way. I was always shovel in hand, digging my own grave. And to the bottle I had been a slave, and you can look at the cracks on this road I paved. But I know where to go at this fork in the road. I said to hell with the gray, I'll be going for gold. I said I know where to go at this fork in the road. I said to hell with the gray, I'll be going for gold. Now I'm back to where the birds sing, baby. Now I'm back to where the birds sing, baby. Now I'm back to the shade of that oak tree. Now I'm back to where the birds sing, baby.